Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best 1x1 record player is probably one of the most aesthetically pleasing and functionally robust turntables on the market, offering a delightful blend of vintage charm and modern convenience for any audiophile looking to spin their favorite vinyl with exceptional clarity and style, making it a standout choice for both seasoned collectors and newcomers to the world of analog sound. Number 5. Big Fudge 4-in-1 Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Big Fudge 4-in-1 Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit. This comprehensive set is designed to keep your cherished vinyl collection in pristine condition. Easily eliminate dust, dirt, and fingerprints with our ultra-soft velvet brush and XL cleaning solution. It ensures your favorite records play smoothly, maintaining optimal sound quality. Keep your record player performing at its best with the included stylus brush. This tool removes particles from the needle, preventing performance degradation and extending the life of your collection. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need: an ultra-soft velvet brush, XL cleaning liquid, a stylus brush, and a convenient storage pouch. Maintain your records wherever you go. Our soft velvet brush is designed to clean your vinyl without leaving scratches. You can even use it to safely clean other delicate surfaces like your phone or screens. What we like. This kit is designed for meticulous vinyl care. It includes everything you need to keep your records pristine and your stylus clean. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to maintain your vinyl collection's sound quality and longevity, this is the one for you. What people say. Left my record spotless, left no residue, easy to use, and took so much gunk off of my older vinyls. The tools are easy to use and make a noticeable difference in sound quality. Cleans well, dries quickly, and my records sound new. Like they were just pressed from factory. Number 4. Victrola Navigator 8-in-1 Bluetooth Record Player. Rediscover your music collection with this versatile 8-in-1 entertainment center. It seamlessly blends vintage aesthetics with modern functionality, offering a complete audio experience right out of the box. Beyond its exceptional turntable, enjoy your favorite CDs and cassette tapes. It also features an FM radio and Bluetooth connectivity for streaming audio from your smartphone. No extra equipment is needed to get started. This record player delivers upgraded, premium sound quality with minimal vibrations, perfect for any room in your home. Easily manage your music with intuitive controls, including a volume knob and simple buttons. A full-function remote control is also included for added convenience. Connect external speakers or an amplifier using the RCA outputs for a bigger sound. You can also enjoy private listening with the built-in headphone jack. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned vinyl enthusiast, its retro charm and modern features make it an ideal choice. Experience your music in a whole new way. What we like. This is an all-in-one entertainment hub with a vintage aesthetic. It plays vinyl, CDs, cassettes, and streams music wirelessly. If you appreciate retro design and want a single device for multiple media formats without needing extra equipment, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It also plays MP3s from USB drive, FM radio, CDs, streaming from Bluetooth, anything that can plug into AUX, cassette tapes. Recording to PC is easy. Adequate sound quality. Record any format to any other format that your computer can play. Looks great. Bluetooth has great range. Compatible with the Linux operating system, although not mentioned in the manual. It contains a record player, CD player, cassette player, FM radio, Bluetooth connectivity and the capability to record off your CDs or USB. The woodwork is outstanding in my opinion. This is what a retro sound system should look like. Number 3. Angel's Horn Vinyl Record Player. Immerse yourself in the warm, distortion-free sound that will impress your friends. You'll quickly realize this is a record player worth cherishing. Enjoy a sense of realism and instrumental authenticity that more affordable models simply cannot match. It delivers exceptional detail and high-end performance. With its natural wood design, it perfectly complements your bookshelf or furniture. This set also serves as an awesome decor piece without taking up too much space. It features a quieter belt drive, built-in Bluetooth for digital music, and a stable iron platter to reduce vibration. Enjoy stable playback with adjustable counterweight and dual speeds. Beautifully packaged and easy to set up, it makes a perfect gift for birthdays and holidays. We also offer responsive email support for any questions or concerns. What we like. This record player focuses on delivering high-fidelity audio with its included stereo bookshelf speakers. Its natural wood design also makes it a stylish decor piece. If you prioritize sound quality and a sophisticated look for your living space, this option is perfect. What people say. The record player has a built-in Bluetooth speaker, allowing you to stream music wirelessly from your phone or tablet. It comes with a USB port that lets you convert your vinyl records into MP3 files, preserving your music collection digitally. The turntable features an adjustable counterweight and anti-skate control, ensuring optimal tracking and sound quality for your vinyl. Number 2. 1Q All-in-One Vinyl Record Player. Introducing the 1Q, a versatile all-in-one turntable. It features built-in speakers, Bluetooth connectivity, and a switchable phono preamp, making it incredibly adaptable for all your listening needs. Immerse yourself in high-fidelity sound with 4 full-frequency speakers delivering crisp highs and deep bass. Its advanced design ensures a pure, analog music experience, free from resonance. Enjoy high-end performance without the high-end cost. The precision tone arm and quality cartridge ensure accurate playback, minimizing skips and distortion for an exceptional listening experience. With its user-friendly integrated front panel, controlling your music is simple. It also offers convenient AUX in and headphone jacks for easy connectivity to your favorite devices. This stylish blend of retro and modern design makes it an ideal gift for any music lover. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned vinyl fans alike, adding a nostalgic atmosphere to any room. Stream music wirelessly from your phone or tablet via Bluetooth 5.4. You can also connect external speakers or headphones for an even more enhanced audio experience. What we like. This model offers exceptional versatility with its built-in speakers, Bluetooth 5.4, and switchable phono preamp. It provides a pure, immersive analog experience. If you want a modern, user-friendly turntable that sounds great and connects easily to your devices, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The sound is insane. Warm, rich, and surprisingly powerful for an all-in-one setup. You get that classic vinyl depth without any muddiness, and the highs are clean without being harsh. It fills the room effortlessly. Setup was unbelievably easy, plug it in, drop a record, and you're off. No complicated wiring, no frustration. Just pure, effortless listening. Bluetooth works flawlessly, the radio is crisp, and the ability to switch between vinyl, Bluetooth, and AUX instantly makes it super versatile. It's basically my new entertainment hub. Number 1. LP and number 1 at 3600L Vinyl Record Player. Experience the perfect blend of retro aesthetics and modern technology with this all-in-one record player. It's designed to evoke nostalgia while offering the convenience you expect today. Enjoy exceptional sound quality thanks to the high-quality die-cast aluminum platter and the included cartridge. Its 2-speed capability and adjustable counterweight ensure rich, warm audio without any unwanted noise. Connect wirelessly to your favorite BT speakers or headphones, or stream music from your smartphone. It also features RCA outputs for seamless integration with your existing audio systems. Easily preserve your cherished vinyl records by recording and playing back audio directly via USB. This feature allows you to digitize your music collection with ease. Immerse yourself in clear and rich sound with the 2 built-in 20W full-range speakers. It's perfect for home entertainment or simply enjoying background music. Designed for simplicity, this record player is ready to use right out of the box, making it ideal for beginners. It's the perfect gift for music lovers and a stylish addition to any home. What we like. This player combines vintage charm with modern convenience, including USB recording to digitize your vinyl. It features a magnetic cartridge and built-in speakers for a complete audio experience. If you want to easily convert your vinyl to digital formats while enjoying a classic look and sound, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This vinyl player nails that vintage look while packing in all the modern features you'd expect today. The built-in speakers sound surprisingly full, and the cartridge delivers clean, warm audio without any crackling. The built-in speakers are a great bonus, you can enjoy records without needing extra audio equipment. Bluetooth connectivity and USB recording make it incredibly versatile. The headphone output, auto-off feature, and classic design are all thoughtfully included. The dual speakers are large enough to fill our family room with sound nicely. It is very full, warm and clear. It has plenty of bass, but if there is more bass, it will be much better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.